be to you?
What would you think if I sang out of tune? Would you stand up and walk out of me? Lend me your ears and I'll sing you a song, and I'll try not to sing out of key. Oh, I get by with a little help from my friends. I get high with a little help from my friends. Oh, I'm gonna try with a little help from my friends. What do I do when my love is away? Does it worry you to be alone? How do I feel by the end of the day? Are you sad because you're on your own?
Ooh, I get by with a little help from my friends. Yeah, I get high with a little help from my friends. Oh, I'm gonna try with a little help from my friends.
Do you need anybody? I need somebody to love. Could it be anybody? I want somebody to love. Would you believe in a love at first sight? Yes, I'm certain that it happens all the time. What do you see when you turn out the light? I can't tell you, but I know it's mine. Oh, I get by with a little help from my friends. I get high with a little help from my friends. Oh, I'm gonna try with a little help from my friends. Do you need anybody? I just need someone to love. Could it be anybody? I want somebody to love. Oh, I get by with a little help from my friends. With a little help from my friends.
Happy birthday, Paolo!
Happy birthday! You look very good.
Naku!
May mga thank yous ka ba? Or mga fans mo or anything? Love life?
Bago lahat, siyempre, thank you sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa akin. Thank you sa Bello Medical Group, Frigo, Brit London for my clothes, sa buong GMA, kay Mr. Gozon, Mr. Duavit, Ma'am Wilma, Tita Avin, Miss Lilibet, sa aking Tadyang family, sa aking SOP family, kay Miss Darling, Miss Aisel, at saka kay Direk Louie, at sa my dad family ko na maagang magsisimula ngayong gabi, 6 ng gabi po yan. At sa lahat ng aking kaibigan na nandito, sa lahat ng sumusuporta, kay Nanay Lolit, salamat sa pasensya, at sa aking pamilya, at siyempre sa aking mahal sa buhay. Alam mo na.
Sino? Sino?
Lax!
Sabihin mo na. Hindi nila alam eh.
Sabihin mo na. Ibubulong ko sa inyo, ha? Si Ligan.
Wow! Well, happy birthday, Pao. And of course, thank you din sa lahat ng kumanta para kay Pao today.
Thank you, my friend.
Happy birthday!
Well, yes. Up next, pakinggan na ang mga songs na bagay sa love stories nyo.
Mula yan sa dalawang concert artist na super dami ang experience sa pag-ibig. Jana and Angelina on Mr. and Miss J.
At bago yan, alamin muna natin kung sino-sino ang nominado sa Kapuso natin sa TAG Awards. Para sa inyong mga paboritong kapusong fashionista, kung saan nominado dyan si Paolo at si Heart. At ako din. Oo. At paano bumoto? Sandali. Ako po yung cover.
Wow!
Max. Close up.
Ayan, ako po yung cover ngayon.
Yes.
Sana po bumili kayo kasi nag-diet ako dito.
Wala, ubus na daw.
Kaya pala nakita ako sa bookstore, bili lahat.
Inubos, binili ko lahat.
Wow! Ayan, kung paano bumoto, panoorin niyo po ito.
Oh, sweet naman. Sana ako may ganun.
Even the